Welcome to Pete's RV TV. Today I am Chad Shepard and we are having What the Hail sale. We've had a hailstorm here at Pete's RV Center, and as you know, that's damaged some of our RVs, and you can save yourself a ton of money on brand new RVs that have factory warranties. We're going to have all our units priced with additional discounts inside the units. As you can see here, this brand new Jayco 2017 with 2 slides has hail damage to it. To the front of it, you can't see it. It's really hard to see, but it's going to be discounted down for you and your family to save a ton of money on. So we have 30 to 40 units for you guys to pick through. It's first come, first serve. This event's going to be Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at our Vermont store, and you can come down and save a ton of money on these and get out camping before 4th of July. So come down and see us. What the Hail sale. Save a ton of money on units like this brand new 2017 Jayco and take it home camping for the 4th of July weekend. We hope to see you soon, and don't forget, Pete's RV Center. Visit us online at petesrv.com or visit one of our 3 stores. Thanks for thinking Pete's RV.